How's it going, guys? So I'm back with something different. I've been really trying to get into the battery game, more or less. I've looked at EcoFlows and stuff like that, and they're all horrendously expensive and generally out of the reach of most people. Well, most of us probably have a power tool or more lying around. So we probably have a couple of those batteries lying around. Well, this is something that can really help you get into, more of a power storage game, not necessarily solar or wind, but certainly better than nothing. This is the supercharger by Ryobi, and the other big name brands already have their own as well. This can really allow you to charge these batteries all at one time. I do have some critiques about it, so I'm actually going to break this up into a two-part video because my phone just refuses to record anything above 3 minutes. So I have some critiques about this. It's great for what it is. They sell things that can go on top of the batteries when they're not in there. However, one critique that I have is that this has a USB port on it, but unless it is plugged into the wall and actively charging other batteries, you can't plug anything in to use it. So you can't unplug this and use it as its own power bank, which I thought was a little annoying. That's something I feel like that they could easily have resolved and made an even better product. Even better if they can somehow figure a way to put a regular US prong plug on there that you can use for other things. Now, of course, there's going to be more engineering required than that. It's going to make it more expensive. But there's so many of us that are invested, especially into the Ryobi specific tools, because it's such an affordable brand for someone who's just a homeowner and not a professional. Like, yes, we know that Milwaukee makes good tools. We're well aware of this. Most of us don't have $600 to just drop on a random tool by them because we're just not going to get that use out of it. Why would I pay $600 for a drain snake when it's going to take me so much time to really justify that purchase when I could just grab one of these? It's so hard to justify. So this will probably be the end of this video, and I'm going to break down even more problems that I have with it and some of the positives in the next one. Thank you so much.